Hey, what's up everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and today we're going to be changing legs on our hollow belly frogs. After a while they get really nasty and stuck together and stuff, but we're going to go ahead and use living rubber to switch out these frog legs. Now it's time to take them out. So you're just going to pull them through, and you notice that there's a knot in there. That's basically what's kind of holds it in. But you're just gonna pull it through like this. Make sure there's nothing in there. And that's it. Got some new rubber, and I'm gonna do some brown and some of this gold with black in it. So you want to line them up. You want to tie a knot right in the middle. Just want to get it tight. It's in the middle. Okay, so we have the frog, no tail. Now use a little bit of worm oil. You can also use like dish soap or any kind of lubricant there. And that's just to help slide the tail through. Okay, so then I have a bobby pin, and what I did is I kind of stretched it out a little bit, and you'll see why. So I squeeze it, put the bobby pin through, and then it's open a little bit more so you can put the skirt through, or excuse me, the rubber through. And you pull it back, and you don't want to go all the way to here, to the knot, but you need to go in a little bit, and then you just start pulling it through. Get some pliers. Be careful because there is hooks. Sometimes it's a slow process getting it through, but you want to slowly and surely get it through. So you get your other part through. Alright, so now it's time to get that big old knot through. So once again, what I do is I kind of tighten it, and then I put a little bit of worm oil right on the knot, just to lube it up a little bit. And then we're going to be pulling it through. There you have it. And what I do is I line up, I cut it so it's straight here. Alright, so there you have it. And then we have to cut it, so I'm going to have my assistant, big-headed ant here, hold each side. Can you see? Yeah. I'm just gonna go like that. Is that all of them? Everything. All right, so there you have it, brand new. All right guys, that's all there was to it. Hopefully you liked the video, hopefully you learned something. Go ahead and give it a try. You can get all of the rubber from livingrubber.com. all right, that guy Skimpy, big-headed ant. Please subscribe, please like, share, comment, all that good stuff. All right, that guy Skimpy.